I'm Don, and it's Northeast Machine and Motor Supply, Tonawanda, New York. My dad started 50 years ago in his garage. He was an industrial arts teacher, raced hydroplanes, had success, and we rebuilt engines for some other people part-time, and it morphed into what it is today. Family business, working with my dad since I was a little guy. Was always kind of a gearhead and interested in engines. Racing, hydroplanes. We also raced TQ midget race cars. The diesel industrial stuff is a bigger market for us in the military contracting at this point. But the racing's where we cut our teeth, so to speak, and where we came from. The reason why our building's kind of broken up into departments, the block room, the rod room, they're all additions. One, the original do-it-yourselfers, we built all the hoists, mix and mortar for the block, etc. Most of our employees have been with us 30 years, some 40 years. Close group. I worked in the shop with all these guys when my dad ran the shop. My son's involved now, so yeah, I would say it's a family atmosphere.
All right. Wish I had 3 arms for this.
Do you want me to hold them? Industrial engines, diesel engines, excavators, material handling, do some race engines. We take engine cores, completely disassemble, clean them, magnaflux them. Machine them, build the equivalent of a brand new engine when it's done, dyno tested. We ship pretty well around the entire country at this point. Engines that we focus on, we're a Perkins engine dealer. We spec out and sell some new Perkins engines. We rebuild a lot of material handling engines. And then again, the military contracting, we do 1790 Continentals, crankshafts, blocks, connecting rods. And we also do 6V53 Detroit military engines. Andrew Tate drives our boat. He also drives Unlimited for full-time, which is a turbine-powered boat. We've won Valleyfield, which is like our Super Bowl of hydroplane racing. We didn't win it last year, but we won it the year before. For unique projects, an example would be blown alcohol dart block that we've done a lot of work on bore finishes and bore geometry with the H85AX hone. If we didn't have that hone, we wouldn't be able to control those parameters, and we've made some big gains in that. We started using the Rottler machines because we're focused on productivity.
My name's Don Bidell and I'm the shop manager. It's definitely been a time savings, especially the H85AX, being able to have a hone running, removing material, and can pretty much work almost on its own.
For models we have a pair of S86 surfacers. We have the centerless valve grinder. We have the H85 CNC hone. We have an F10A boring bar, probably some other assorted stuff. It's evolution, it's all a plus.